I'm going to be showing you how to change language on Gemini app. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first and most important thing you need to know is Gemini usually does not have a manual language switch button inside the app. It follows your phone language or the language you type in. So the best method you can do is change the phone's language. So just open your settings. As you can see, settings is right there. Just go ahead on tap here, and once you do, using your scroll down till you find general right above accessibility. After you tap here, using your scroll down again till you find language and region right below keyboard. Just tap here, and then you can just change your iPhone language. So it says English here, but you can just change it. And then after you change it, the language on Gemini app will also change. The method 2 is to just type in any language. So let's say you want to chat in a different language and you have saved that in your keyboard. What you need to do is change the language through a keyboard and then just text in that language and just send this. So as you can see, the reply you're getting is also in the same language you're typing it in. So you've successfully changed the language on Gemini app. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.